G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Just got home from work, excuse me, put the microphone on, and I had this package waiting for me, wrapped up in the black bag first. Now I started to make this video on my other camera and it shut off, just stopped. So this is from SilverAnt. I always say about how they wrap their packaging up, how they respect the items they sent out, and they want the customers to have the best experience. So I did leave this on but with the camera going off. But the outside, it's a black plastic bag, not a bin liner, it's just a small one, small enough to wrap this in. It's seam sealed or heat sealed, so no water can get in. So throw that down there out of the way. That's got my address on, don't want that getting seen. Then the next layer I've mentioned before is this. It's a foam wrapping, and that's sellotaped around that way and around that way, so it's nice and secure and protected. Now I think I know what's in here, so let's get it open, shall we? So 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of this foam just to protect it. Doesn't tell you what's in there, does it? So look. SilverAnt Ultralight Titanium products built for a lifetime of adventure. That's one, and because there's 2 in here, I do know what this is. They are the Crystallized Titanium Insulated Travel Coffee Mug with lid. So let's get this off the table, out of the way, move them over. Again, all that protection on the packaging, the boxes, there's no dents, there's no creases, just nice. Let's open it from the bottom, shall we? Now they do have their little logo on top there which holds it closed, and I noticed what type of bottom it was, so that's why I went in this way, so I didn't want to destroy that. Okay, it comes with a little instruction thing or generic telling you about the material, the titanium and everything, so yep, all the information's there. Also inside, a thank you card and a SilverAnt sticker. Now I didn't realise until one came off without me noticing. The actual sticker is black, the logo, but the background is clear, so whatever you stick that on, you'll have the colour of what you stick it on behind it. So it's not a white backing and a black, it's just a clear backing. So that'll be cool, wherever you put it. Now this one should be the same, because I chose the one I wanted, and then they said, okay, what colour would your wife like one? So I asked my wife, it comes in 4 colours, and she chose the same colour for me, which is the first time ever. So let's open this from the bottom again. Same thank you stickers, generic SilverAntOutdoor.com. Tell you all about the quality of the titanium. First thing you see, they both come in their own little bags, little mesh bags, which I do like that idea, because you have the option of giving it extra protection, or taking it out and just put it in your pack. They're packing as well. It's not just thrown in the bag and in the box. It's in a plastic bag also. And there it is. Crystallized. That looks cool, that does. It's a bit like a ice. If you're in Antarctica somewhere, that just chilled look. Little lanyard for you to hold on to, or put a carabiner through to hook it on your shoulder strap, on your pack or anything. And like I said, the wife chose the same. Too crystallized. No, that was a shock. Now it comes in 4 colours. We've got the crystallized silver, bold purple, light green, and an ocean blue. But yeah, they feel nice. They've got nice grip to it. So what I'll do is I'll put one back, and that one will be for my wife when she gets home. She'll love that. Now let's have a look. Measurements as it is with the lid on. 85mm, which is 3.35 inches. 160mm, which is 6.3 inches. Weighs 243 grams, which is 8.57 ounces. 400ml capacity, which is 14 fluid ounces. Now I've got my cheat sheet down there, so I'll get it all right. Pop that off. There's your sippy bit there. Unlock that. How cool is that? It goes to your straw. Ah, that is cool. That is. So you've got the option of going by the straw, lock it down, or sippy. Again, just pull the button, up it comes, pull it back, slight click into place, so it's not going to fall on you when you're having your slurp. I am impressed with that. Like I said, the lanyard. So it's not real leather, but it's a nice finish on it. Oh, it's good seal. There you go, the straw on the inside. Yep, it comes off, so you can clean it and just push it back on. Yeah, there's the seal inside there. Don't know if you can see it. It's a nice one. Yeah, it feels good quality. Now you get some of these, they just feel hard. But this is that. It's got a little bit of give to it, and it's got the rims around it too, so it actually gives you a proper grip. I do like that. Okay, the lid off I got now. Measurement across here now is 62mm, which is 2.44. From the top here to the bottom is 142mm, which is 5.59 inches. And the bottom measurements is 71mm, which is 2.8 inches. And it is titanium. And it's insulated, it's double walled. It says here, do not microwave, recyclable, originality design, titanium vacuum mug, hand wash only. do not microwave. There you go, you've been told. No, I like that. That's nice. I like that. My coffee in the morning, I have an issue with, because the coffee I drink and the way I make it, I need to keep whisking it, because I make my coffee with a couple of strong shots of coffee and pure cream and butter. So I need that whisk just to keep it all as one, so it doesn't separate. I don't mind when it does, but having something like this is going to be handy. So I can put my coffee in here, just close the lid, give it a shake, and that will fit in my cup holder of the car. Where my actual whisk one, which I normally drink my coffee in the morning, which is over here. And this is one of those self-stirring mugs you get off one of the like eBay and Temu and things like that. That is a lot bigger on the bottom, so that will not fit in my cup holder, where that will. So I'm really happy with that. Cool. I can't stop thinking how cool it is. This is the first time I've had one of these crystallized titanium, and I really do like that finish on it. It's just nice. Okay, short but sweet. The crystallized titanium insulated travel coffee mug with lid. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please go down below and click on the subscribe button, click the like button, click on the notification bell next to the subscribe button and select all, so you can be notified of all future videos. And if you are already a subscriber, again, I thank you very much. You're staying home.